Alright guys, I took it out. See all the components right there. Got it out. Everything looks like right now. There's insulation, wires, and the hole. So now I'm gonna take measurements because I'm changing it to and then all electric, because I never had problems with this, but I called somebody that knows about refrigerators, and supposedly my ammonia was leaking. They're all yellow. See that right there? So they told me I needed a new refrigerator because it was leaking stuff. See? Not good. Don't like it. So there it is, guys. North Cold refrigerator. I believe that's the model number. I think I'm not that's what it was made. I don't care too much for it, so there it is, guys. Thank y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. I'll do my best to keep on updating y'all on this project that I got going on. I'll also upload a video when I put in an electric refrigerator here. Thank y'all. Bye.